Hello TealStreeters! To set up your Bybit v5 API keys, please follow these steps. Click on Create New Key in the top right corner. Then, select System Generated API Keys. Set it to read and write and check the option for only IPs with permission. Now, you have a choice. You can either add your own IP address or you can choose our TealStreet network IPs. If you would like to choose the latter, please check the mark here. Below, you have the option to set the region to Singapore or Japan. Choose the one that is nearest to you for the best possible connection. Copy the IP addresses into the field on the Bybit website and select the Trade Standard Account option. Now you can set your exchange name and choose the color of the tab. In the meantime, click on the Submit button within Bybit and input your 2FA code. Copy the API key and the API secret codes into the fields within TealStreet. Click on the Understood button on Bybit and then click the Add button on TealStreet. Now you should be all set and ready to trade. Feel free to use our referral link to support the development of our platform.